White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 17. In Chapter 16, we saw that after having a counseling session with Mrs. Carter, Kara, instead of going home, goes straight to Cove to look for a sign from her mum, a dolphin, and there she sees a white dolphin along with a calf dolphin, which was badly injured as it had been caught in a fishing net. A calf dolphin, which seemed dead to Kara, opens its eyes and looks at Kara and tries to work out what Kara was going to do to her. Kara had all her life been dreaming of rescuing a dolphin, but now, when an injured dolphin was lying in front of her, she did not know what to do with the dolphin. Kara tries to roll the dolphin in water as the dolphin was lying in shallow water. Therefore, Kara tries to roll the dolphin in water, but she finds the calf dolphin too heavy to move. Kara gets closer to the calf dolphin and finds its skin dry like sun-baked rubber. Kara recalls what her mother had taught Kara as how to rescue a dehydrated dolphin. Kara runs across boulder to get some weeds to make a shade for the calf dolphin to protect her from sun. There was a wound inside the dolphin's mouth. Its tongue was swelled. Kara scoops some water and pours it on dolphin's body. Calf dolphin closes her eyes. Kara knew that dolphins do not sleep, and if she sleeps, she will die. Kara's mother had also told her that dolphin's breath is a conscious thought, and dolphins in captivity can choose not to breathe and they die. Kara soaks her coat in seawater and squeezes it out across dolphin's back. Kara thinks of getting some help for the injured calf dolphin, but she knew that she cannot leave the dolphin alone. Just then, someone calls her name. Kara looks around and she knew who it was. It was Felix, who had come looking for her. That was all about chapter number 17. Here is a research work for you. Do dolphins never sleep? Do they choose to breathe? Do they choose not to breathe in captivity? So this is the information which Kara gives us in chapter number 17. She tells us that dolphins never sleep and it is their choice to breathe or not to breathe. And they do not breathe when they are in captivity. They like dying rather than staying in captivity.